Today I am making a classic Eastern European dish in just 15 minutes. Smoked sausage, sauerkraut, and potatoes come together for a fast, flavorful meal that's perfect for a busy weeknight. Begin by placing the baby potatoes in a mixing bowl. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, season generously with salt and pepper, and toss until evenly coated. Practical chef fact: sauerkraut actually originated in China 2,000 years ago, not Germany. Place the potatoes in the preheated air fryer at 380 degrees. Cook for approximately 10 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until they are golden and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. While the potatoes are cooking, melt the butter in a large casserole dish over medium heat until it begins to foam. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the melted butter, then stir in the onion. I prefer to slice mine julienne style, but feel free to chop them however you like. Sauté for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become translucent and start to turn golden brown. Do you want more air fryer hacks and simple recipes? Hit those like and subscribe buttons to keep the delicious recipes coming. Now, add that smoked sausage to the pan and cook until lightly browned. I prefer pork, but turkey or beef is great too. And don't worry about the size. Slice them small or thick, however you like them best. Next, pour in the apple juice to deglaze the pan and lock in all that flavor. If you don't have juice on hand, no worries. A half cup of chicken stock or water with a teaspoon of sugar works perfectly as a substitute. I recommend brown sugar for that extra touch of sweetness. Time for the aromatics. Drop in your garlic and bay leaves. Stir them in for about 30 seconds to release all those flavors before moving on to the next step. And of course, add salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is perfectly seasoned. Now it's time for the sauerkraut. Make sure to drain it first, or if you prefer a milder, less tart flavor, give it a quick rinse under cold water before adding it to the pan. Cover the pan and let it all simmer together for 2 to 3 minutes. This gives those flavors a chance to really meld and soak into the sauerkraut. By now, your air-fried potatoes should be perfectly golden and crisp. Take them out of the basket and toss them right into the pot. Cover and simmer for just 2 more minutes to bring all those flavors together. Now for the final touch. You can mix everything together for a big, cozy bowl, or for that professional restaurant look, serve it the way I'm going to show you right now. Either way, it's going to taste amazing. To make this an even more enjoyable meal, I highly recommend serving it with some lightly toasted rye bread and a side of spicy brown mustard. Trust me, the combination of flavors is just out of this world. And there you have it, a delicious, flavorful meal in just 15 minutes. Whether it's for lunch or dinner, this is the perfect recipe for those days when you're struggling for time but still want to feed yourself or your family something amazing. If you love this 15-minute meal, like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. You can find the full ingredients in the description below. Thanks for watching, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.